Introduction. The word festival means feast day, festive celebration. As kids, when there used to be festivals, only one thing that came to our minds was holidays and sweets that in turn meant lots of fun. India being a society of many religions, there are a lot many festivals. In this lesson, let us learn about the different types of festivals celebrated in India. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you'll be able to define festival, distinguish among national, religious and harvest festivals, list the characteristics of some national, religious and harvest festivals.